Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here with a crucial update for all you business owners out there. Today's topic, a high-severity flaw that could be putting your business at risk. Impress Computer Solutions, a trusted IT provider in Houston, is sounding the alarm on a newly discovered vulnerability affecting select industrial routers. This bug, tracked as CVE 2024-12856, has a CVSS score of 7.2, and it's serious. If left unaddressed, it could expose your critical systems to exploitation. So, what's the threat here? The flaw is an OS command injection bug, which can be exploited if attackers gain access using default credentials. And unfortunately, many businesses still fail to change those default settings, leaving their devices wide open. Here are the key findings. The vulnerability impacts router models F3X24 and F3X36. Exploitation allows attackers to launch reverse shells for persistent remote access. Threat actors have been leveraging this flaw along with previous ones like CVE 2019-12168. Now let's talk about how the exploits work. Attackers target the /apply.cgi endpoint, focusing on the age_time_year parameter when adjusting system time. This enables OS command injection, allowing unauthorized changes and malware deployment. Data from threat intelligence sources reveals over 15,000 internet-facing devices are vulnerable. Impress Computer Solutions warns that businesses using these industrial routers could unknowingly expose their networks to malicious actors, risking data breaches and operational disruptions. But don't worry, Impress Computer Solutions has got you covered. Here's how they protect your systems. 1. Credential management. They replace all default credentials with strong, unique passwords. 1. Firmware updates. They monitor and apply firmware patches as soon as they're released. 1. Threat monitoring. With 24/7 network monitoring, they detect and mitigate exploitation attempts in real time. 1. Incident response. If a breach occurs, they provide rapid response services to contain the threat. 1. Custom security solutions. They tailor cybersecurity strategies to meet your unique needs. So, take action today. Regularly audit your network devices for default credentials, partner with experts like Impress to implement robust security protocols, and stay informed about emerging threats. Protect your business from evolving cyber threats. Contact Impress Computer Solutions today to secure your network and ensure operational continuity. Impress Computer Solutions, Houston's trusted partner in IT security and network protection. Thanks for watching and stay safe.